Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So hope you and your family members are doing well. Sadly, India is facing the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic and we are all taking every possible precautions and staying at home. But no worries, we are back with a new video.
Hello everyone, Devruth here and I'm going to be the quiz master in the video you're about to watch next. So here's a quick trivia about COVID. Vaccinations are 100% effective in preventing severe life-threatening COVID-19 infections, so do not hesitate to get your vaccine and get yourself protected from the deadly virus. For all of that, do watch this video till the end to find out who becomes the ultimate COVID quiz warrior. Let's quickly get to the game then. Introducing the participants, first we have the three main trio members, Siddhant, Sanskruti and Nipul. You'll be having their images for representation below if you haven't had enough of them yet. And we also have two of our dear friends, Ashwati and Baby, joining us for this quiz, so we'll have a total of 5 members. So hence, we'll be having 5 rounds of this quiz. The highest scorer after round 3 gets a special gift known as an immunity, with which he gets a pass to the final round. So see you at the other side of the video.
Let's make it alphabetical. So we'll start with Ashwati. You can't catch coronavirus from your pet. Myth or a fact?
It's a fact.
Yeah, that's the correct answer.
Right now, the CDC says that there's no evidence that pets, livestock or wildlife can transmit the disease to humans, but we are still unsure if humans can pass it to their pets though.
So that's the correct answer. That gets 10 points for Ashwati, and then we move on to Baby. Death hold test is a valid test for COVID-19. Myth or a fact?
Fact?
No, it's a myth.
Breath hold test might test your lung capacity but not your infection status. The virus affects your lung capacity to exchange gases. So breath holding is of no use to determine the same. It is better to check your SpO2 using a pulse oximeter.
So that was a wrong answer and Baby gets 0 points for that. So eating garlic prevents COVID-19.
Fact?
It's not a fact, it's a myth, obviously.
Though garlic has some antimicrobial properties, there is no evidence that it can prevent COVID-19.
We move on to Sanskruti. You should wear masks while exercising.
It's a myth.
Yes, it's a myth. You should not wear masks while exercising.
People should not wear masks while exercising as masks may reduce the ability to breathe comfortably. Sweat can make the mask become wet more quickly as it makes room for the growth of microorganisms.
Thermal scanners detect COVID-19. It's a myth or a fact?
It's obviously a myth because thermal scanners only detect high temperatures, so it can't
Oh, giving explanations also. Proper. Yeah, I agree. It is definitely a myth. We move on for the second round of myth, yeah, fact. For that, we start with Ashwati again. Fabric masks don't protect yourself and others from COVID-19. Myth or a fact?
It's a myth.
You sure?
Yeah, because fabric mask can also prevent the spread of COVID-19.
Yes. Fabric masks protect yourself from and others from COVID-19. We move on to Baby. Hand washing, only antibacterial soap prevents COVID. Is that a myth or a fact?
I think it's a myth. Hand washing is just a normal thing. It can be done with all the steps and all. So it's a myth.
That is indeed the correct answer.
Any soap is capable of making your hands virus-free, provided they're washed for 20 seconds and with proper technique. Plus, antibacterial soaps are not even effective against a virus.
Bring it on. People with type A blood are more susceptible to infection. Fact or a myth?
Myth.
That is a fact. You still stay on 0 points.
A study has found that the proportion of sick people with type A blood group is significantly greater than researchers would expect it to be. Whereas the study also found out that there are fewer sick people with type O blood group than expected. Genomic studies of patients from Italy and Spain have also supported such findings.
So we move on to the second question for Sanskruti. Virus won't spread with a distance of 6 feet even if we stay in hours of contact with the infected person.
I think it's a fact because there's a distance of 6 feet.
So you say social distancing can prevent even if you're like in contact with COVID patient for a longer period of time. You sure about your answer?
Yeah.
Well, you thought on the right direction, but unfortunately, it's a myth.
According to a recent Lancet study, there is consistent and strong evidence that the SARS-CoV-2 virus is predominantly transmitted through the air. So 6 feet distance isn't enough to protect a person from an infected patient if they are in a confined space.
This is a question for Suchita. Over-the-counter medicines won't make COVID-19 symptoms worse. Myth or a fact?
So I don't think over-the-counter drugs can worsen the symptoms of COVID-19. Like, how can a drug influence the symptoms? So I think it's a fact.
You may have heard that over-the-counter pain medicines like ibuprofen or acetaminophen can make coronavirus worse, but WHO has debunked that notion and other medical experts agree.
As we come to the end of first round, we get into the scores of the participants. Ashwati is sitting comfortably with 20 points after answering both her questions nicely. Baby sits on 10 points after messing up her first question. She gets her second question correct. Dimple is sitting on 0 points. I don't know why that makes me happy, but yeah, she's still sitting on 0 points by getting 2 questions wrong.
I still have hope.
Sanskruti did a great first answer, but then messed up her second question and now is sitting on 10 marks. And Sid, as usual, is sitting on 20 points. Nicely comfortable. So yeah, great. We move on to the second round with all about COVID. So be ready. So the first question is, what does the spikes protruding from the surface of coronavirus resemble, from which they also derive their name?
Is it sun's corona?
Yes, that is the correct answer. Wow, I'm kind of surprised you got the correct answer. The coronavirus are named for the spikes which resemble a sun's corona. Sun's corona is basically the outermost portion of the sun which includes the sun rays. It is generally visible when there's an eclipse occurs. So it's visible. So the spikes on the surface of coronavirus resemble those sun's corona, hence the name coronavirus.
Wow. An interesting fact.
I'm kind of surprised Ashwati got it. That's nice trivia. So 10 marks for Ashwati. Now we move on to Baby. And the question for her is, what is a fomite?
I think I don't know. I'll pass the question.
I know this.
The past question moves on to Dimple. Dimple gets
Someone's
the question.
really happy.
It's it's the like contaminated object or place type.
Yeah, that is the correct answer.
A fomite is an inanimate surface or object such as a doorknob or utensil that can transmit infectious organisms.
Yeah, so now it's a term for her question. A 10-mark question that I'm going to ask her. Covaxin shows -% efficacy in the second interim phase 3 analysis.
I'll randomly guess. 90%?
No, you are close to the numbers of Covishield, but no, that's not the numbers for Covaxin. So now it's the past question for Sanskrit.
I think the answer is 78%.
Yes, that is the correct answer.
India's Bharat Biotech has finally announced the interim phase 3 data for its COVID-19 shot, with the vaccine showing 78% efficacy at preventing mild, moderate and severe coronavirus infections and working well against most variants.
So with this, we move on to the main question for Sanskrit. Thailand announced that it has proceeded to test its novel coronavirus vaccine for which animal or bird.
I'll pass.
So it moves on to the almighty Razdas.
Actually, surprisingly, I saw this thing in the news like 2-3 days back only. It's monkeys.
After seeing the positive results on mice, Thailand is testing its coronavirus vaccine on monkeys too. The vaccine uses mRNA technology.
Sid gets 5 marks for that past question. Almighty Sid going on and on. So we move on to the final question for this round, and Sid's final question. What is the role for S protein, that is spike proteins, in SARS-CoV-2 virus?
I think the S protein helps the virus to enter into the human cells.
Okay. And that is the correct answer. I'm not surprised. Almighty Sid getting all his questions correct.
Why I even be playing this game when he knows all the answers?
Spike protein allows coronaviruses to enter human cells. On a positive side, spike protein is also the basis of current COVID-19 vaccines like Pfizer and Moderna. Production of spike inside our cells starts the process of protective antibody and T-cell production.
So with this, we come to the end of round 2. There's one more round left before which we decide who gets immunity. Will it Almighty Razdas winning it through? Other people will also come up to compete. The scoreboard stands like this. Ashwati, after answering all her turn questions, is on 30 points.
Wow.
Baby messes it up in the second round and ends up with 10 points only. Dimple, is still on 5 points.
I think you are wanting me to lose this game.
Sanskriti gets 5 points for this round and ends up with 15 points. And Sid, Almighty Sid, now sitting on a total of 35 points after 2 rounds. So it's a two-way battle, Ashwati and Sid, till now. But others might strike in this.
Yes.
Gap between the 2 doses of this vaccine is dash.
COVID.
Good.
Oh, Sid is on fire, obviously. Okay.
Yeah,
Sid answers. Because- Okay. Sid, your answer.
I think it's 21 days.
21 days. You sure about the answer or you take -5 as a gift?
Yeah. No, 21 days.
And as usual, this guy is correct and he gets 20 points for this. This medicine is sold under the brand name Dash.
COVID.
अरे
खत्म तो होने दे.
Everybody is speechless and Sid again brings in under COVID. He's like too excited. Please enlighten us.
That's right. Yeah, Becklary. Because it's on TV nowadays, na Remdesivir is
Yes, it is.
the brand name.
Can you name what is this thing? Can you identify this picture and tell what is going on?
COVID. It's Oxygen Express. Containers carrying liquid oxygen.
Crazy. Yes, that is the correct answer. It is Oxygen Express. The demand for medical oxygen in the country has gone through the roof. The railways will run Oxygen Express over the next few days to transport liquid medical oxygen and oxygen cylinders across the country.
Next, bring it on.
This is
COVID.
क्वेश्चन तो बोला ही नहीं मैंने. ये काउंट हो गया. कोविड इसने बोल दिया. अब सुनने की क्वेश्चन आपको आंसर करें. This is a flag of a country to which India has supplied its vaccine.
Answer is Maldives.
Maldives. Okay, I took your answer. Dimple, answer please. I took her answer.
Belgium.
Belgium. Okay, very nice. दोनों ही गलत हैं. दोनों का -5 दे दूं क्या?
नहीं. I was just trying.
Sanskriti gets -5. She has broken 2 rules. She spoke before the question was told and then she gave the wrong answer. That's a different question altogether. This one is a very easy question. I'll be very disappointed because this is one of the things that has been taught to us in the classes. For how many seconds the above process should be done?
COVID.
Wait. Okay, this is not a marketplace. Wait, you're not getting brinjals for free. Chill.
If now you are getting biased to others now, so I'll not play the game. I said it first.
So Dimple, your answer.
20 to 30 seconds.
Like the people who have attended our microbiology classes know that very well that 20 to 30 seconds is. Moving on to the last question of this round. The above vaccine has been created by which company?
COVID.
I think people said COVID first.
Okay. Your answer, please.
Bharat Biotech.
Yes, that is the correct answer. That was a very obvious question. Points tally right now. I'll begin from the bottom. It's
Yes.
Sanskriti and Baby Best Friends Forever are tied at 10 points each. It's Ashwati on 30 points after doing nothing in the second round. She tried hard, but it was Dimple who shouted the loudest.
Clap karo.
And I'm very sad, but I have to say Dimple on 65 points right now. Obviously, Almighty Sultan takes the immunity for this round and he moves on and will be the co-commentator with me.
Wait, don't leave. There is a part 2 releasing soon, and thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, get vaccinated whenever possible because that's the need of the moment right now. Until then, stay at home, stay safe, and see you all super soon. Bye.
Sir, immunity time.
Amazing!
Ready. Always wear mask, guys. Always wear mask. This is the question that decides the winner.